Ay, tayong dalawa. Tayong dalawa.
Naka-video na to. Ay, naka-video na to.
Sige.
Tayo na kumakanta ka rin pala. Kupal ka.
Uwi na ako. Ayoko na. Uwi na ako. Ayoko na.
Yun naman, no?
Babae. Girl.
Kinikilig ako.
Girl.
Kiss, kiss!
Ayoko. Ayoko na. Ayoko na.
All the lessons we will learn will be beautiful and strange. We'll have a billion a share of size. My only prayer is that you
Realize you always be. Tumingin ka naman doon, beautiful nga eh.
Parang puso ko. Parang hindi ginagawa yung puso ko eh.
Susubok kita kay Kwan.
Hindi ko alam.
beautiful.
Hindi ko ma-explain. Hindi ko ma-explain. Confused.
Passing years will show that you will always go where the heart is born. In my eyes.
Ano mo nakakakon?
Koreano tsaka Koreana. Yung
Yung ganyan. Kinikilabutan ako.
ang sweet-sweet naman. Pwede na, private na, private.
You will always be beautiful in my eyes. And the lasting years will show that you will always grow where the Lord is born. In my eyes, you will always go where the Lord is born. In my
Ano yun? I'm yours.
Baka patayin mo.
Susunod ba? Okay na yan.
Thank you very much sa mga lahat ng mga nanood sa amin. Tsaka nakinig. Maraming salamat. Susunod po na namin ay
Ay, gusto ko yan.
So much, Carmela. Thank you so much.
Pasalamatan niyo naman ako tagakuha ng video, guys.
maraming salamat
Thank you so much for
Guys.
Thank you so much for your attention for minutes. Through the cracks and then try to get back for cooler. Sabi ko. So that's I won't hesitate no more.
Updated to.
love. So I want and say no more, no more. You cannot hide. I'm sure there's need to complicate our time. Is short. This is our fate. I'm yours.
Sige mo na, kasi pag-YouTube, may mga na.
Supposed to be. Now that you've got everything. So I remember. Open up your heart and make a fantasy. Open up your heart and find a love in love. I guess I'm what I'm saying, and it's there and for a reason. Really, some vanity and just go season.
But
Oh, hashtag got a love like me. No, try to sing. If I've been that much shit, I'm yours. We'll open up your mind, I gotta sing and a sing like me.